Before we get started, do me a favor and smash that like button. I'd appreciate it. Okay, here we are on tbill.io, and we are in the DeMerge tab where you manage your stickers and convert them into NFTs. And what you're seeing here is the 4 stickers that I do have, and the last one there on the right is the digital Dave, which those are not yet available. But what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see here, it shows over here on the right, it shows redeem, but this one down here on the bottom that corresponds to the Teddy B stickers says approve. And basically the ones that say redeem have already been through the approve process. I can't tell you what the approve is all about, but you have to do it in order to get the redeem button to appear. So you see these drop down boxes here, and if I go to the one for the Teddy B, because it still needs to be approved, if I click on it, it does not drop down and let me change that number. So I have to approve those stickers before I will be able to change the number. But if you look at the one up above it, the white dove, it has it's already gone past the approve stage because I did that earlier. And so if I go over here, it shows I've got 5. If I click on the button, it allows me to choose from 1 all the way up to 5 that I want to redeem. So right now, if I leave it at 5, when I redeem, you scroll down, it shows you that right now what I will get with the white dove is I will get a 500 capacity NFT. And the reason is because these NFTs, the denominations of capacity are 100, 500, 1,000, and it's either the next one up is either 2,500 or 5,000. I'm not sure yet. But so I've got it because I've got 5 of the white doves selected. If I click redeem, it's going to give me a 500 capacity white dove NFT. But if I go up here and I were to change that to 4, and then I scroll back down, now it's showing me that what I'm going to get if I do a redeem is I'm going to get 4 of the white doves, each of which only has 100 capacity. So in order for it to redeem just 4, it's going to give me 4 100 capacity white dove NFTs. Okay, so if you don't want a 500, then you need to select less than 5 in order to get these 100s. Okay, so let's go back up here, and you basically would have to, if I have 5 and I want 5 100s, I'd have to redeem 4 and then go back and redeem the 1 remaining, because if I choose 5, it's going to go ahead and redeem it for a 500 capacity white dove, and that may not be what I want. So that's how that works. Now, in order for me to do something with the Teddy B stickers, the first thing I have to do is click on approve, and that's going to, let's see, what does that say? A contract access to your Teddy B stickers, and so I have to tell it okay, and that gives the contract permission to interact. So now it's going to pop up my wallet, and I have to approve that in the wallet, and after I approve it, then the redeem button for the Teddy B stickers will appear. So now that it finally came up and it gave me the ability to either reject it or confirm it, I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And now, as you can see, I have the ability now to redeem the Teddy B stickers. And if I leave it at 50, it's going to redeem it for a 5,000 capacity NFT. Well, that is not what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and change it. Okay, I've changed it to redeem 25, and then I scroll down, and apparently there is no 2500 capacity NFT. So what you get when you're redeeming 25, you get two 1000 capacity and one 500 capacity. So apparently the capacities go 100, 500, 1000, and then 5000. There is no 2500 available. So if I want all 500 capacity Teddy Bs, I would have to redeem 5 at a time to get the 500s. And what I want is, I want some of my Teddy Bs to be just 100 capacities and some of them to be 500 capacities. So you have to go through and do this separately. So if I scroll back up here and I change it, so because I want some 100 capacity NFTs of the Teddy B variety, I'm going to redeem 4 so that I'll get 4 100 capacity NFTs. And you can see that because when I scroll down, shows you what you're going to get. And so it's showing me that I'm going to get 4 100 TBL capacity Teddy Bs. So I'm going to redeem that by clicking on redeem, and it will convert those 4 stickers into 4 100 TBL capacity NFTs. And of course the wallet pops up and I have to confirm that. So what you'll notice here is each one of these stickers has its own redeem button, or if you want to do them all at the same time, you can click this redeem all down here. But I'm only going to redeem these 4 Teddy B stickers. So I'm going to click redeem, and it's going to pop up the MetaMask wallet. And now I'm going to click confirm. So now that it's converted 4 of those Teddy B stickers into NFTs, it shows the balance available to redeem is just 46. So now if I scroll down to this next section, this shows all of the NFTs that I currently have available to work with, and I can merge the various NFTs I have into NFTs with multiple. For example, let's say I want to create a combination of Teddy B and White Dove here. That is a 100, so I've got those 2 selected, the 100 capacity Teddy B and a 100 capacity white dove. And so if I scroll down below, it shows me a preview, and it shows that the result of that is going to be 2 NFTs that are 100 capacity, and those 2 NFTs will be Teddy B and White Dove combined. So that's how you do that. I now could take these 2 NFTs. If I was to proceed, I could take these 2 100 capacity NFTs that are a combination of White Dove and Teddy B, and I could put those up on Open Theta on the secondary market, and anybody that is looking for a 100 capacity NFT that has both White Dove and Teddy B on them, those would be available to them. Now, if I wanted to add to that, I wanted to produce NFTs that had Big Dog also, then I could add him by selecting a 100, or actually, no, that's a 500, so I don't want that one. What I want is a 100 capacity Big Dog, and I'm going to select a 100 capacity Alien-like. So those are the 4 personalities that I've got to work with. And so if I scroll down, if I was to go ahead and merge, I'm going to end up with 4 100 capacity NFTs, each of which has all 4 personalities on that NFT. So that's how you can combine them. Now, if I wanted to create a 500 T-bill capacity NFT, then I would have to add an additional 100. So basically, let me go up here and say, okay, I want to Big Dog. I've got a 500. No, I don't want that. Another 100 capacity Alien-like. So I've got I want just 100. Okay, I'm going to check off another 100 capacity White Dove. So that would give me a total of 500 capacity. And so in that situation, I would get a 500 capacity NFT with a combination of all 4 personalities. There's going into this NFT, I'm merging a 100 capacity Teddy B with a 100 capacity Alien-like, a 100 capacity Big Dog, and 200 capacities of White Dove, and producing a 500 capacity NFT with all 4 personalities on that one NFT. So then I could put that up there on Open Theta to sell it, and somebody that's looking for a 500 capacity T-bill NFT with all 4 YouTube personalities on that one NFT, then they would buy this one. So to get 500, I had to do 2 of the White Doves in combination with one the other 3 personalities. But if I wait until the end of next week, to where I've got some Digital Dave as well, then I could do 100 of each, creating a single 500 capacity NFT with all 5 YouTube personalities. So this is the way that works. Okay, now I'm not going to actually execute this because I'm not ready to do it. I want all 5 personalities on the single NFT. So that's as far as I'm going to go. But if I wanted to do this, now I could say approve, click that to approve, and it will then do the merge and create this one 500 capacity NFT with all 4 of us on it. So That's the two things. Now this last area here is something that most people will never use, and that is if you were lucky enough to be able to acquire 2 of those 2 million capacity 2x multipliers, and you wanted to merge those together to create a 3x capacity multiplier with 4 million T-bill capacity. This is what you would use to do it, this third section. But I'm not going to explain it, but it basically works like the one above. Whatever 2 personalities you check off, that's the 3x multiplier that you would get with those 2 personalities. And if you had all 5 personalities, a 2x from each of them, then you would be able to merge them into a single 10 million capacity 4x multiplier. So this is the way that works. Well, that's a wrap for this presentation, so cue the music. If you enjoyed the video, then hit that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you in the next video.